Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. So, you guys, we have a few more weeks for Christmas, and I want to share with you my new Christmas tree that I purchased. This year, I did not want to do anything big. I just didn't want to. I wanted a tree that was smaller, and that way, when Christmas is over with, I wouldn't have that much to put away. So, I just wanted something low maintenance this year, and I did go by Rose's discount store, and I came across this cute tree for $5.99. Yes, $5.99. Really inexpensive. So if you're someone that wants to put up a Christmas tree and you don't want anything that's high maintenance, I think you may like this tree. I love this Christmas tree. So this year I am going with a white tree. This is just so cute. $5.99, y'all. They did have um, the green, of course, and I was looking for one that was, that just had flock on it, but they didn't have one. I wanted a small white flock Christmas tree, and they didn't have that, which is fine. But this is just too cute. So it's only two pieces, and you get the legs to go on the bottom. Really easy to put together. I will be keeping the box. Yes, I will be keeping the box. So this is it. Only two pieces. Now, when I saw it in the store, I fell in love with it. I said, this is what I needed. Now, you do have to fluff out the branches. When it was in the store, the branches weren't fluffed out, but I did fluff out the display just to get an idea of how it would look before I buy it. And once I did that, y'all, I fell in love with this tree. Look how cute it is. It's not pre-lit, so I did purchase some lights. I had to purchase the mini lights to go with the tree, so I'm going to see how those lights look. So once the tree is fluffed out, because it does take a few minutes to, fluff it out to make it look a little fuller, it looks nice. It really does. And I did pick out my Christmas colors. I went to my storage and went through my things and picked out some stuff. I still have to go buy a few things, not much. So that's just about it. But I will do a full decorate with me video on my channel, so you guys could check that out when I post it this week. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification, so that way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. You guys can see how it looks so far, and I'm just hoping that the lights are not too heavy for the tree. I don't think they will. I haven't opened them up, but I did get the mini lights from Roses, and I made sure that I got the white, so they are white clear, and I just want to see how they're going to hold up on this tree. But if they don't hold up on the tree the way I like, then I will use my string lights that I have. They're battery operated. I didn't want to do that, but if the lights don't work, if I don't like the way they look, then I will use my string lights. Here's the overall look of the tree. So I am loving this Christmas tree. Once I put the decorations on and the tree skirt on and different things like that, then everything will look beautiful. But I really appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.